So, what's up, guys? I'm going to be building a mud truck. Another one, I know I've already built one, but this one's going to be this truck. I know it's an ugly truck. I hate the freaking truck. I just don't like it. It's ugly. But I'm just going to build it just because why not? So, I'm going to make the travel all the way up here, all the way. Axis width, going to come out a little bit. So, 6 right there. 6 right there, and damping. I don't really even know what the damping is, so I just use it. A little bit of rear steer, and the tires are gonna go up. Obviously, I'm gonna make them a little bit wider. I'm gonna make them I'm just gonna make them as wide as they go on the stage that I have it on. And I'm gonna make the rims like this, so it's front heavy there. So I'm gonna just. That right there looks pretty good. Sorry for the messages. But next, I'm gonna put, obviously, these tires here. And I'm gonna put these rims. I'm gonna put chrome rims. So, there we go. And then next, the body. What the crap? I'm not on the fenders. That's freaking weird. Okay, so front bumper. I feel like I'm just gonna keep the bumper stock. Definitely not gonna put that on it. Not a roof rack. Might as well put a light bar. A snorkel. And I'm gonna put a winch because it's a mud truck. I don't think I'm gonna put any exhaust. Do normal light. Put that. And not that. Okay. So next, here comes the decals. So I'm gonna put the 4x4 off-road. Because obviously it's gonna be a full drive. So boom. There we go. Next I'm gonna put oh my bad. I'm gonna put a red hood. That's what I need to do. I'm gonna make it have a red hood here. Because why not make it have a red hood? Gonna make it nice and wide there. That looks good. So next I'm gonna put some I'm gonna put no, I'm not gonna put any of that. I'm gonna put, I guess, brand logos. I'm gonna put Raptor on the door, and I'm gonna put right here. I think I actually might use this. And then on the back, I'm gonna put some guns, like this. I'm gonna put make that one white and make this one a little bit smaller. It's gonna be, like this. So it does look pretty good so far, I'd say so. Forgot to do that. So it's not the best. I mean, it's obviously not gonna be the best because I'm not the best at this kind of stuff. So next I'm gonna go into upgrades here, upgrade all the way, everything, and turbo all the way, put e-brake. Seems pretty good. And yes, I did copy off of this. I'm not gonna lie. I did kinda copy. Not the guns, because that was a freaking hard as crap. I'm not gonna do, what the heck is all that? So that's gonna be too hard, so I just did it like this. So I'm gonna make it, oh, yeah. I'm gonna put the gears right, where it could be fast. The low gear, it's gonna be high. So dyno run, I'm gonna run the dyno here. Let's see what we get. 705, okay, it's not too bad. It's not the best neither. So I'm gonna go into the rock park here, and I'm gonna, sorry if y'all can't hear me, I know it's loud, but I'm gonna do this, and I'm gonna go find the, right here, I'm gonna go see, okay, there's very low in my foot. Sorry, I had to get it. So this truck does look very, very good, as you can see here, and it's just a little bit tippy. So it's alright. It does wheelies in the mud. That's one thing I like. So drop a like if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you all on the next video.